Hi, ma'am.
Hello, Balaji. So, did you collect information about the interview?
Yes, ma'am. I have collected the information about and I have researched about the background information about that.
Whom are you going to interview?
Actually, it's Sneha Iyer. She is an actress.
Okay. So, why do you want to interview her now?
Just 2 months before only she won the national award. So,
Okay. So, it's a very relevant thing now. Did you collect the appointment?
ma'am, I
Did
just
you
forgot.
talk to her?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, first thing you should remember is you should collect the appointment from whoever you are going to interview and get the time and the venue appropriately.
Yeah, ma'am. I will talk.
Okay.
கஷ்டமா இருந்தா அப்படியே பேரு.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Is this Sneha, ma'am?
Yeah, this is she.
Ma'am, it's Balaji from ABCD Media. I'm looking for an interview. Can I come there?
See, when you are going to call the interviewee, you should not impose your decisions. Ask her convenient time and place, and then you go ahead with the call.
Ma'am, actually, I want to do an interview about you. When are you free? When can I get your appointment, and where should the interview take place?
Well, tomorrow and day after will be very difficult. However, I'm available today. What about 6 p.m. today at
Yeah,
my
ma'am.
house?
Yeah, I can come there, ma'am.
Alright, that'll be great. See you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, goodbye.
Hi, ma'am. We'll start with the interview. So,
Balaji, you should not directly get into the venue and start talking. First, you should greet, ask permission whether you should enter, and when the interview permits you, then you sit down cordially, have direct eye contact, and then you approach with your questions.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Balaji from ABCD Media. I asked for the interview, right?
Oh, yeah. Please come in. Have a seat.
Thank you. So, ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, ma'am. So, ma'am, I have collected some information about you. So, you have worked in the movie, right? Which won the award. So,
So, you should not directly approach with the hard questions or the hard news questions. Just be cordial, be very informal, ask how she is, what did she do, did you disturb her. So, warm up. Like that, you approach with the questions and then first ask her about her background and why she
no,
is
actually,
here.
I collected the background
Okay.
information from.
But still, once again, you should ask, how
Yeah.
are you, ma'am? How are you here? How was your day? So, like that, you start up so that it will be like a little informal and you both will be comfortable with each other.
Okay. You're looking beautiful today, as in movies. Yeah.
Thank
Actually,
you
I'm
very
Balaji
much.
from ABCD Media. I'm working on. I usually write articles about movies and stuff. So I'm here to interview about you. So if you don't mind, can you share something about yourself?
Well, yes, I come from a very nuclear family and I've moved across India, many places, thanks to my dad, and he had a transferable job. We have a pet. It's a beagle and we call it Bruno.
Wow, that's a nice. I also like the pets so much. Yeah. I would like to know more about the pets.
So now here you have two options. You have come to interview her because she has won a national award. So that is the trending thing. And now when you got to know that she is a pet lover, so you can also include that animal love thing so that many people are inspired because celebrities are role model for common men. So you can ask questions related to her animal love and what she intends to do with that as well as her professional career.
So I see that you are very fond of your pets.
Yes,
very
that's
nice
true.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, tell me about your the movie which you acted, the local film which acted, which won award. So,
You should never use the word local. when a film is made in a vernacular language, you should use the word regional films.
So tell me about the movie which you acted now, the production, how it went, yeah.
Well,
See, you have done the background study and you have done your homework. But in spite of that, you should ask the questions again, how she is, why she is here. You should collect the background information from her also. Because what you collected is secondary data. Now you are getting the source here, so try to extract the primary data. And have you switched on your recorder?
Yes, ma'am, I have switched on the record.
Okay, and where did you list out the questions? Is it in your phone?
Yeah, I have noted down.
Okay, in spite of the technological advancement, it is better that you have a pen and paper with you, and do not keep on checking the questions, just have it for a reference sake and try to frame questions from whatever answers she is giving. So that way it will be better. And switch on the recorder and keep it in between, and before that ask the permission so that the recording will be appropriate and we can extract the interview from that.
So ma'am, before starting itself, I will ask your permission to record your voice.
alright, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead.
So ma'am, tell me about yourself.
Well, I come from a small nuclear family. It's me, my parents, and my sister. We do have a dog, Beagle, and we call it Bruno. And well, I've traveled across India because my dad had a transferable job. So I don't like to say I belong or I come from a particular part of India.
Yes. So I see that you are very fond of cats.
Dogs.
See, you should not confuse between this animal thing. Better use the word animal.
Okay, I see that you are very fond of animals.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, it's nice to hear that somebody is here.
So when you got the introductory matter, you have the content where you can interview her for her national award as well as for her animal love, because celebrity is a role model for the entire country. So you frame your questions in such a way that you extract the answers for her national award and her projects and her filmy career, as well as you get the information about her animal love and what she wants to do with that.
Okay, so tell me about the local film which you acted, which won so many critical acclaims and awards.
It is better you use the word regional films, because as a media person we should be very appropriate with the jargons. So regional films or regional media is a better word to use for the film she has done.
Okay, I'm sorry. So tell me about the independent movie, the regional movie which you acted, which won the national award and so many acclaims.
Yeah, well, that was a great thing for me. It was a transition for me for my creativity, and I got an opportunity to work with a big team, and we had a big production company where many people were working together, and I'm glad to say that it turned out to be such a success.
Okay, it's very sorry to congratulations for the award.
Yeah, thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, so your mannerisms and body language also you should take care of. It is better you don't sit erect and keep looking at her. Don't look here and there, because that is not a good body language. Be positive, be confident.
So ma'am, tell me about the production. As I see that you are coming from a what do you say, a theatre background. So what is the difference between the theatre and movie production?
Well, I think there is a big difference between working for a theatre and working for a movie, because the production firm or the production budget is quite low for a theatre, and for movie it is quite expanded.
So
there's a
I'm
lot of-
just to sorry to interrupt, but I'm that little bit suspicious about that production. There is that producer who got stuck into.
See, the main thing you should remember while interviewing is 3/4 of an interview is always listening. So you should always let the interviewee finish whatever she or he wants to say, and then you ask your questions. Do not interrupt in between. That cuts the flow.
I'm sorry, ma'am. So tell me about the what do you say? What is the difference between the theater and production? How is that like? What is the production basis? Like you said, the money is spent less and more. So what is the difference between the workflow which you experienced?
Well, we are better equipped when you work for a movie. We have better technologies, better team. So the result is quite good. Whereas the theatre, the audience is live and there is no room for error. However, in movie, you can always edit. So there is a difference here and there. But overall, the work is the same.
Okay, so tell me about the producer. I see that he got stuck into the Me Too case. So in between the production was stopped, then another producer came.
No comments, please.
See,
Sorry.
in case of controversial things, it is better you do not ask these things straight away because the interviewee might be uncomfortable, and you should not ask personal questions also because that can also make the interviewee uncomfortable. It is better you stick to her professionalism and her desires, and as because our celebrity is a woman, so you can ask certain questions related to women empowerment which can enlighten our women audience.
Okay. So, ma'am, tell me about the role which you played and which won very much acclaim from the critics.
Well, yes, it was about the strong woman who was fighting against the odds. We work in a world where it is, I don't like to address it, but it's sort of a patriarchy society where women don't have a stand. So this role got highly acclaimed because this lead character fights all the odds to win her battles.
Okay. So, do you think that the role which you played will empower the feminism in our female audience or the all audience?
Well, most certainly, why not? I am sure and I really hope that a lot of young women watch this and learn. Not only, I don't want to restrict it only to India, I really hope that people across the world watch it and learn a lesson or two from it.
Okay. So, what about the award that win? Okay, you won the award. And what about this movie which in which what do you feel like how much
It's okay.
okay. So wait, I will check for the question which I am going to ask. I just forgot. Wait.
Sure.
So, during the interview, you should not go around checking the questions because that is going to distract you as well as the interviewee. Have something in your mind and try to frame the questions from her answers itself. If you do not have anything pertinent to ask, then you keep it off the record so that you can use it elsewhere. So, get it known from the interviewee whether it should be used on the record or off the record. And when you are ending the interview, please ask her to give a message for our audience, so that will be very relevant and that will be good for our readers.
Okay. So ma'am, I will finish it up, but before that, I would ask about how do you see that as a woman in the field, how do you see about the workflow and about the people whom we are working with, how supportive they are?
Well, if I comment on the support wise, on the subject of support, everybody was supportive. I had a really good team. I was blessed for that. And for women working in a film industry, I think the media is changing right now. Women are getting their stand. So I think slowly we'll be as good and will be as much better paid as the male actors are.
That's very encouraging for
Yes,
us.
it is.
So,
So when you get a better quote like this, try to use it as a headline, and this will be the most important thing for your interview.
okay, Shoma, that I will use this word for a headline. Yeah.
Sure, that'll be good.
So, before ending, what do you want to say to your audience?
Well, I always have one message. Keep working hard because there's no shortcut for your end goal. It has to be achieved step by step.
And the off the record question: are you planning to marry?
Well, I would not like to comment on that. Let's see when I cross that bridge.
Maybe a crush.
Crushes.
See, did you ask the permission before asking the personal questions? If she consented to that, it's okay, but you should respect the off the record and you should not violate the rules. And you should also not make the interviewee uncomfortable.
Are you feeling uncomfortable?
Not exactly, but I would prefer that you don't ask me such personal questions.
Okay, I'm sorry for that. So just let's finish it. Can I have a selfie with you?
That'll be great. Why
Okay.
not?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
interview.
Thank you.
So come. So the first thing, your voice is not that clear, so you should be very clear and audible, not only to your interviewee but also to the camera person and for the recorder. And second thing, your selfie, what you took with the interview, that is completely for your personal use. We cannot publish those in our newspaper or magazines. So for professional photographs, it is better you ask permission and allow your photographer to take some single photographs as well as photographs with her family. And especially the high point of the interview is her pets, her animal love. So it's better you take certain photographs with the pets. And thirdly, when you wrap up the interview, be very cordial and full of gratitude, because she has taken out time from her busy schedule to give you some information about her life. So it is better you thank her and also let her know when this report is going to be published, and try to send her a WhatsApp link or an email. So these are the things you should keep in mind while concluding the interview.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your lovely time. You have given me time for the interview in the busy schedule. So, if you give your permission, can I take a photo with my photographer?
Sure.
As you said, you are very fond of your pets, so he will take some clicks with the pets and with your family, with your home.
That'll be a good idea.
Okay,
Bruno
ma'am.
is very photogenic.
Okay. Thanks for your time. And ma'am, this article will be posted in next month's magazine. So I will send you the link for the article, and thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
once again, congratulations for your award.
Thank
and
you so
keep
much.
rocking.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
So Balaji, I hope it was a wonderful experience for you as well as for our students, because they came to know a lot about how to conduct an interview. Thank you.
Thank you.
So dear students, we have come across how to conduct an interview and what are the things you should keep in mind before conducting an interview. I hope you keep in your mind all the tips that we have gone across through the session, and you become wonderful interviewers and do grand jobs for our print media. Thank you.